Good morning, team. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today, this video is going to be short, but I told you I'd do a follow-up video to one of my previous ones. I'm going to show you how to just do quick changes to your settings right here in this. Let me close this. Right here, this little icon right here. This is for quick settings. Some settings that you'll want to change frequently. They're all located right here. So you just click on that icon and you can turn your Wi-Fi on and off or connect to a different Wi-Fi. Okay. You can turn your Bluetooth on and off or choose a Bluetooth device. Turn it on and off right here. That's handy to not have to go. Otherwise, you got to go clear into system settings and go find Wi-Fi and then go find Bluetooth and find whatever else you want to do. But sometimes it's just a lot quicker to click on this little settings icon on the top right. AirDrop settings, who you can AirDrop, who can AirDrop you. Stage Manager, I did a video in depth about what Stage Manager is, but this is where you turn it on and off. Check out that video if you want to learn more about it. It's my video about widgets and organizing your desktop and things. Screen mirroring. This is where you can AirPlay it to a TV or some other Apple-enabled device like a Roku. You can AirPlay that so that whatever you're seeing on your screen mirrors over to another device. Display brightness right here. I have two screens, that's why you see two of them. This is my built-in screen. And then it does not let me control the brightness of my LG screen because it's not a Mac device. If I had a Mac Cinema screen, I could control that. But I can control the night shift. That's cool, I never did that. True tone on, off, so that's off. I've never played with this. That's true tone off. This is true tone on. Changes a little bit. Dark mode, off, on. Interesting. Okay, I can go into my display settings right here. These are more in-depth settings for my display that come in handy. I'm not going to dive into all the display settings right now. And that's pretty much it. I've never used this focus thing. I don't really know what it does. I think it shows other people that you're on do not disturb mode. What does focus settings do? It tells other people not to disturb you. Okay, well that's kind of cool but kind of useless. All right, so that's it. Just a quick way to change your settings right here, top right. These two little, I don't know what you call these. I think they're on-off toggle switches is what they are. And that's where you turn on and off, or that's where you can play with your quick settings. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, check out another video. I mentioned in here Stage Manager. I have a video about that. I have a video about widgets. Lots of videos that'll help you out. So check out another video and have a great day.